No, not all in love is fair. No, not all in love is fair.
Lover, where you have touched me, no one has been for such a long time. I see your beauty, feel your strength. You are so right, though we both know this is the wrong time. I have loved, it is not so hard. Those close to the heart must believe this. Still, my love is not so easily let. I will not walk away from your kiss. I realize there is little hope. Decisions have been made and set in stone. Yet I am not betraying love, but duty, and there are no sins for which we should atone. So be naked, cries the selfish heart. Life is short and love is spare. Now be gentle, cries the careful heart. Not all in love is fair. No devils, no angels, neither reason nor rhyme. No sadness, regrets, no ties to bind or unbind. No fingers to probe the dark side of trust. No one to say what we can't do or must.
Be naked, cries the selfish heart. Life is short and love is spare. Please be gentle, cries the careful heart. Not all in love is fair. No, not all in love is fair.
Angel's kiss intoxicated, made your day. Shy to the world, for me she danced, you say. Any smile surely would see you fairly fall. I know the lady, chances are she would embrace us all. We who as well love her call you friend, see in you the part of her that she must give again. So as certain as the night is fragrant, stay entranced. 'Tis a bitter road if along the way love is never glanced. But there is a darker side you may not understand. Her eyes are still with pain, as if hurt sorrow may demand. And every flower you have sent has withered in her hand, as every passion failing dies, though it be passion grand. Still you are young, as all are young who love too much, and passion is a virtue, and dreams a kiss as such. Yet I dare not speak here now of things unsaid when lovers touch. When a woman lives outside her art, every passion is a crutch. Truth to tell tonight, will you be touched by angels' kiss? Yet would she see in you relief from her despair? So be it, my friend, be warned, for want of your great love, she will be as one with falling stars. My friend, take care. In the light of morning, you who have been loved will love no other. Every future fool endeavor, brief encounter will there fail, as memory filters to the surface, seeking substance. Sweet angel's kiss, once perfumed, lingers stale.
Beautiful people who grace me with style, I warm to your company, your soft city smile, and all that is hidden before the day's dawn will be found, I am sure, in this place I was born. The stories do not change, but us, or is it me? Old friends appear and true, clearly now I see. We are here, glasses raised, like 20 years before. Nothing in translation lost, and time can add no more. This jukebox generation moths in moonlight, the music, the candles that last through the night, songs from a past beyond all review, where smoke there is fire, if back then we but knew. Christy sings and stars return the day. Minstrel John talks koto anyway. But we were here before, with sky-filled dreams, devised in nights more rare and more extreme. I have seen yours, and you have seen mine. We have witnessed each other, now we wish we were blind. I could not stand yours, and you could not stand mine. And though we said the right words, we were only being kind. Let's put it down to poor judgment, and we can be on our way. Yes, give it up to experience, to December and May. So leave now from my bed, and I will forget I saw yours. I should never have suggested we come back here for more. I am sure you will agree, though we have broken no laws, there is no rational reason. When you go, shut the door. Yes, when you go, shut the door, and you can forget you saw mine. Please, and I will forget that I saw yours. I see you in passing. Well, that is how it must be. A slight nod as you walk by to acknowledge me. For staying so
little complaint. I am all for a happy home. Sometimes a more or less choice. Still I can tell by your words you have discovered your voice. Now the children have grown, and you have journeyed so far. Now those letters you send are as band-aids on scars. I would offer much more than my thoughts on this day. Despite current doubts and what others may say, take a chance, fall under the spell of the dance. Make a stance, make a stance, defend with your heart this romance. Sing your song, among these friends where you belong. Clear your mind, clear your mind, be surprised at what you may find. Walk the sand, arm in arm and love hand in hand. Watch the moon, the light of its glow fades too soon. Breathe the day, it will capture you in its way. Share your smile, second nature after a while. Yes, take a chance, fall under the spell of the dance. Make a stance, defend with your heart this romance. Know your bliss, obvious after that first kiss. Speak your truth, do not wait on the voice of youth. Touch me well, hear the secrets that I must tell. Seek the deep, we shall rest in each other's key. Yes, take a chance, stay under the spell of the dance. Yes, make a stance, believe in the gift of romance.
There is passion beyond my control, though I understand it well. Sometimes I am transformed by heaven, other times condemned to hell. And your presence fills my senses, your essence lingers, stays with me. You bare your skin as you undress, your body plays with me. I would not have you hate me, I would not betray your trust. Whatever you may feel this day, forgive me now my lust. All power rests with you. I am undone, you are so sure. Every natural inclination leaves me demanding more. I was never that wise, no, still sage enough. You are fluid in your many ways, akin to river flow. And I long to live beside you now, lay my head upon your breast. Yes, when all is said and done, this song really is me at my very best.
You are not certain, it is clear, for you shy away from these times such as these. A rare event, no such thing, an unmeant kiss. I remember when we first met, you were darker than the night, aware that men who courted you could never please or excite. Now an embrace has no value if it does not touch the heart. All lovers wish to fall in love the way of things from the start. Yes, let us take each other home. We both need a place to rest. There's one in your eyes, a longing, my own needs I have confessed. Undress your body in shadows, I will see you anyway. These hands shall touch skin you protect from the harsh light of the day. Well then, paint a picture of a sordid past in faded colors of lost desire. Go frame it and hang it in some storage room, then set that room on fire.
To the earth, breathe the warmth of the sun, whisper prayers to the moon, become once more undone. You may chant, sing your song, walk engrossed arm in arm. Immerse yourself in a sea of wondrous calm. You may find yourself home in an ancient forest green. Camouflage yourself, be still, silent and unseen. You may flow with the river in its winding course. Look for signs of the sacred, seek a way to the source. You may sleep close to the ground beneath a canopy of stars, again healed in the circle after each and every new scar. You may recline with a lover who shares your great need, or cleave to that close friend who helps you nurture the seed. You may bear witness to a miracle, the turning of the tide. For to you belongs the future, and the future cannot, will not be denied. You may bear witness to a miracle, the turning of the tide.
For to you belongs the future, and the future cannot, will not be.
When did these lips become too old to kiss? This body too ugly for touch? When did this foolishness become the last resort? When did this world become too much to bear? At what point did you pretend to desire? When did you discover no hope remained? When did you begin to change your mind? Or did you never really care for me? When will the passing years reveal to you my strengths as well as my every flaw? Or will we take to our graves this great separation? Or will time in its wisdom restore a certain balance?